Number 1, set up and organize your sewing space. Having an organized sewing room or corner will eliminate the need to go find things when you're ready to sew. So basically set up your corner where you're ready to sew, have your machine ready, have all your tools ready, so when you're ready to start sewing, you can. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Number 2, cut your patterns, pre-wash your fabric, thread your machine, and gather all the tools and notions that you would need so you're ready to go when you're ready to start sewing. Number 3, stick to quick, easy projects, especially if you're a beginner. So basically you can do like a bag, an apron, scrunchies, pillows, pot holders, something that will just get you into the sewing flow without being too hard. We also offer a free kimono pattern that is a great beginner-friendly sewing pattern and is absolutely free. You can download it below this video. Number 4, use time-saving tools and techniques. I'm gonna get into this in a later video, but basically you can use iron-on adhesive to put stuff together instead of pinning. You can use like specialty rulers and seam rippers and handy tools that basically help you on your sewing journey that gets it done quicker. Number 5, save the complex steps to later. So that will be like putting on the zipper, putting on the buttonholes, you know, the finishings and stuff like that. Stuff that takes time, leave to the end. I do this all the time when I'm sewing. I leave the buttonholes and the closures and all that kind of stuff until later. And that's the final step. Number 6, break the project into small, multiple short sessions. So if you're not a beginner, if you're advanced sewer, if you've been sewing for a while, you just break it into smaller sessions, like put on a sleeve in one, hem on one, put on the collar in another. So basically you can break it up into 10, 20, 30 minute sessions for however long you have to sew. Number 7, watch tutorial videos. This is a great channel for you to get information, and if you have to, watch it on 1x, 2x speed so that you can get the techniques that you need to move forward in your project. Number 8, let go of perfection. I mean, this is somebody who's a recovering perfectionist. Believe me, I know how you want to make everything perfect, but everything's not going to be perfect. So just move on, make it as good as you can, and just keep it flowing in the right direction. Number 9, the last one, celebrate the little accomplishments. Believe me, I know what this is like when you don't have the finished garment ready and you're ready to look fly and do all, you know, the things, but celebrate the small steps because you made it this far, you're going forward. As long as you're taking steps to move forward, you're going to finish your garment. Let me know in the comments, what are some quick tips that you use to help you get your sewing projects done quick? Don't forget, if you need a quick project to do, you can download the free kimono pattern right below this video.